Oh, street lights.
Where's Mum? Are you in? Right, see you later guys. You too.
Okay Daddy, I'm gonna speak to the future you, okay?
We're gonna get over here and then we're gonna...
Is the recorder on?
It's gonna take us... Where are we going? Inverness?
Yeah, Inverness.
So I see where it's generally taking me. Taken there, over the bridge, Dunfermline, Kinross, Perth. Basically going to Perth and then Pitlochry, boom, all the way up the A9. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
I don't want to drop this bag. Don't think I will.
Right.
Let's go.
Oh, these guys are going in. Is that you?
Yep.
Okay.
Off we go. We won't see them until tomorrow.
Right, that's us. Comfy?
Yeah.
Good, me too. Right.
Go. This is Pie's fun.
Wow. Fly in my eye. See if we're having the visor up. Look at that for a view, Kenneth.
It's a pretty good view. I attached a little thingy, Daddy.
Good.
You took one of it, but you've still got another.
Right, that's
So
it.
you've cut it in half.
What about now? Is it better now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, I fixed my ankle problem. Pushed my
Good.
jeans down. They were just up when I was doing my... I don't really notice it until it just popped.
Yeah. Be flat.
Daddy, the camera is quite
Yep.
wide.
Don't you worry about the camera. We'll look at that together.
I saw the red dot. Turn a corner, make sure you don't go too down on the right because the camera's quite low.
Yeah, we like it low, but we want to be looking in front of us when we're driving.
Maybe not that low.
That's okay, that's the way we want it.
Really? But when you were coming around the corner up there, it was really close to the edge.
Yeah, so that's kind of the way I want it there. Let's go again. So, going to get over the bridge this time?
Yes.
Are you ready? Holding on tight?
Yeah. That was really fun.
Huh?
That was really fun.
Lovely light. coming into Newton.
Okay.
Canis, can you see this now? Oh wow, what a view.
The water near the bridge poles is quite clear.
Yeah, it's super smooth, not a lot of ripples.
No ripples.
Right, here we go.
You've got the features of a man.
You ready to cross this bridge?
Yeah.
Here goes. Woo.
Oh,
Looks beautiful, doesn't it?
yeah. Really pretty. It looks really funny because you can only see a straight line in the middle.
Uh-huh.
Look to our left.
Yeah. I think we're allowed to do 70 on here, I'm not sure. Plane speed ahead. Right. There's a wee sailing boat down there.
What happens if the bridge collapses? Oh, I thought that was a boy. It looks really small.
Say that again.
I thought that thing was a boy. It looked really small.
Yeah. So that's us just crossed the bridge, Caris, and it's 2 hours and 33 minutes until we get there.
Perfect.
As soon as we don't stop. 2.5 hours now, roughly. Okay, that's us coming into Fife. Can you see it?
Fife. Thank you for visiting Kingsgrove.
It says, welcome to Perth and Kinross, heart of Scotland.
Wow. Why is it the heart? Oh, that's like at the edge of it rather than the middle.
That's right, it's right in the middle, isn't it? That's what they're saying.
Yeah, so it's the most important place in Scotland.
Yeah.
But I thought, like, you know, when we were looking on the map, I saw Fife and I thought, oh, Fife. Nice place to go.
Right, well this is where, if we were coming up to St Andrews to visit Uncle Graham, you know how sometimes we stop at a service station?
I don't know. I don't.
Well, we'd normally stop and get like a coffee or maybe something like that there.
I don't really think I want to go in there because, like, wait till the next service station or something like that. I don't really want to go. I don't need to go to the service station right now.
No, neither do I. I don't really need to go, but we're going to pull in and then we'll
check cameras.
We'll set the cameras up, set them off again, and then we'll also set up the sat nav so that it's working right. How's your hands? Are they warm enough?
Yeah, they're warm.
Good.
Oh, you got your heat warmer gloves on.
I've just switched them on there now.
Are they warming up?
No, yet. Okay, guys, here we go.
Are we here?
there's 65. That's 60. You want to be up at 65. Yeah. Okay, what's that? That's pretty good, Tim. That's pretty good to talk at now, isn't it? Bruce? Can you see it? St Andrews is out that way. Yeah.
And then I looked up and I was like, what? That's nice too. They put all fish and chips, everything for teachers. And then we eat the fish.
Yeah. It's
and
good.
You don't see those particles.
See the sign for Perth?
Yeah. Oh no. Now it's Inverness. We've actually got signs for Inverness now instead of Perth. How lovely.
See how we go. That
I just waved to the camera.
did you?
I felt a waft in the air.
Yeah. You'd be doing it too silly.
It was funny. Oh, look how much clouds there are.
Huh?
Look how much clouds there are.
Right, holding on tight.
Yeah, I'm holding on extremely tight.
You lean forward when you're holding on, Caris.
Okay. So when we get to the corner in, can we like drop my big bag and maybe get like a cup of tea?
Maybe.
And then go out and get, or do that opposite, or maybe not get a cup of tea. Maybe go
Right,
there,
pay
drop my
attention.
big bag. Oh, this is fun. This is really chill.
We're in the wrong lane. Hold on tight.
Okay. I'm looking in. Sterling Glass Castle. I think that's what it said anyway.
Right, holding on.
Yes.
Porsche garage in front of us.
What's that?
Good. So there's a roundabout down here and we're coming off the second one. So see this place in here?
Yeah,
This,
Tyso.
that's the Tysos. That's where we...
I thought that was a hotel.
Huh?
I thought you said that was a hotel.
Oh, we're got here in the lights.
And I
Like,
thought it was Haito rather than Tyso.
Oh, there we go.
Wait, does it say like bike like in motorbike?
Right,
or does
you
it
ready?
say, like,
Just
yeah,
put
I'm
the
ready.
radio on for some reason. We're going out there towards Arnold Clark up that direction.
Okay. I can't really hear the radio.
Radio off. Hi Cardo, radio off. There you go, that's it off.
Oh, I mean like I can't hear it. As in I want to hear it. Inverness is here, so we're going to Mercedes-Benz. Are we in Perth?
Past Perth now. Speed cameras up here apparently. There's a real noise outside of my helmet. Huh?
That's not singing, or that's what singing? Ah. What? 50. Oh, speed lights. Very lights. That said 40. That says no over. Oh, that's us. I can see the camera on the shadow. I can see me. I'm doing this or this. This. That little man on the back of the bus is creepy. It's like a lot warmer. So, shall we call Mummy? Shall we call Mummy? That's so funny. The bus driver sees us in his mirrors. Oh, they'll be sad. Then, as soon as the cones go away, boom! They speed away. Parking spot, Levy 17. There we go. Nice and tight.
Okay, so we'll go down here. That's going to go there. Right, gloves off. So you stay tight. What if I told you it was 7 minutes? I've stood me on all the way along. So number one thing we're going to do here is not find the Premier Inn, find a Tesco's if we can, but I think they'll be open. Right, so 7.5 degrees. Crown Court Tower. Right. Please your key card to open this door. If you don't have a key card, please press the buzzer. What are you doing, Cass? What are you doing?
Looking at messages.
You're doing a bit of messages. Show me around the room. Tell me what you think of this place.
So, we got food, we got milk, we got bananas, we got food, we got...
This is for breakfast, and we've also got breakfast booked, remember?
We got this, and we got breakfast.
What's this one here? Mango. Tesco's mango, right? Oh, what's that?
That's shred.
Weetabix. Right, what's that like? Keep that good so we don't get all trust. Okay, so good. And then what about tea bags? Whose tea bags here? What's
My
that?
mint teas, your
What Yorkshire tea? Peter on the door.
My jacket, my other jacket, your jacket.
Alright, so they're all on the door, ready to go for the morning.
And then hair dryer.
Okay. Oh, you're going to use the hairdryer in the morning?
I might.
Okay, and what about the bathroom? What's that? We've got any facilities in here?
We got towels.
Wow.
We got soap.
Towels, soap, sink.
We got more towels.
And more towels.
We've got hair washing gel.
Oh yeah.
And we've got hot and cold.
Hot and cold water. Wow.
Caution. Hot. Hot.
Is it hot?
And then we got the nice tiny towel.
Wow. Tidy room.
It's a tidy room.
Well, it was until we got here. Huh? What?
Camera.
We've got loads of cameras.
Battery, or
Helmets.
recorder, helmet, belt. At Premier in the safety and well-being of our guests and team members has always been incredibly important to us.
Is this your clothes all neatly done?
Very,
Alright,
very neat.
perfect. Right, so you excited?
Yes.
We're gonna get a cup of tea now.
Flapjack.
It's the one we were talking about
I
earlier.
just flipped something. Flip it. I got a random thing to put in there because I didn't know what else to
That's
do.
the page you're up to.
240 actually.
You need to get that finished this wee break then, will you?
Obviously.